In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download CVS app for Android. We will go from finding the app to opening it to signing in so you can actually use it right away. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You will usually see the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When it opens, you should see the Google Play homepage with a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the Play Store screen. Type in CVS Health using the keyboard that appears. As you type, you might see suggestions appear under the search bar, and CVS Health may show up there automatically. From there, look through the search results and select CVS Health by CVS Pharmacy. The correct result usually has a red and white icon with the CVS logo, and it clearly says CVS Pharmacy as the developer name. Tapping this result opens the app details page. At this point, take a moment to check that you are downloading the official app. On the app page, confirm the app name says CVS Health and the developer name is CVS Pharmacy. You will also see the install button, the rating, number of reviews, and sometimes an editor's choice or similar label. Official apps usually have many downloads and a long list of reviews, so that is another quick clue you are in the right place. Once you are sure it is the correct app, tap the install button. The button will turn into a progress indicator, and you might see a download percentage moving upward. If you are on Wi-Fi, the download should be fairly quick, but on mobile data, it can take longer. After that, wait for the installation to finish. You do not need to leave this screen. The Play Store will handle everything in the background. When it is done, the install button changes to an open button, and you will also see a small notification at the top of your screen saying the app is installed. Now tap Open. The CVS Health app will launch, and you should see the CVS logo first, then the main welcome or sign-in screen. From now on, you can also open the app directly from your home screen or app drawer, where a new CVS Health icon has been added. With the app open, sign into your CVS account or create one. If you already have an account from the website or a previous device, enter your email and password and tap the sign-in button. If you do not have an account yet, choose the option to create one and follow the on-screen prompts to enter your basic information. One useful detail here, the same login will work across the CVS website and the app, so you only need to create it once. You have now downloaded the CVS Health app on Android, opened it and signed in so it is ready for your prescriptions and rewards. If this helped you get the CVS app set up, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick how-to guides.